In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send viewOnce photos and videos on Messenger. This feature ensures that sensitive or personal content such as confidential information are only accessible briefly and cannot be stored or shared further. To do this, simply head to your Messenger. You will want to select who you want to send the viewOnce message. You can either select among your phone photos or access your camera. Now let's say this is the photo you want to send as viewOnce. Tap on Edit. You will then click right here on Keep in Chat to change it to viewOnce. Then after send the photo. It will appear like this one. Once they open the send photo, they won't be able to screenshot, forward or see it again once closed. This functionality is particularly useful in maintaining discretion while still allowing for the exchange of important visuals. Well, that's how easy it is to send viewOnce photos and videos on Messenger. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.